good gist land this week wey go make you laugh and shake your head at the same time. One BB Naija star wear red costume go AMVCA red carpet and Guinness World Record sef notice am. Another man wey used to dey ask Naija pipo who wants to be a millionaire just discover say im own wife bin dey find answer for another man bedroom. Come make her break everything down. First story, and this one go make you laugh and respect the woman for the same time. So AMVCA 12 hold for Echo Hotel Lagos for May 9, 2026, and as usual celebrities come out with their finest outfits. Funke Akindele dey shine, Mercy Eke dey glow, everybody dey do their best for the red carpet. But then Queen Mercy Atan walk in and the whole place stop. Queen arrive for AMVCA dressed in one full costume full of bread, some wey resemble agege bread. The dress go viral immediately. Videos from the red carpet show her where she dey adjust the costume as she dey talk with other guests and as she dey pose for photography. People begin react everywhere. Some people dey laugh, some people dey drag her, some say she don disgrace herself, but Queen no send anybody. She explain herself clearly. She write, AMVCA 2026 ready. I come as an entrepreneur who runs a bread empire. She no dress for fashion. She dey advertise her bakery business for the biggest entertainment red carpet for Africa. The woman use AMVCA as her free billboard. And you know wetin happen next? The plan work because within days, the whole world begin dey talk about Queen and her bread. Branding experts begin dey praise her. Entrepreneurs begin dey recreate the look with AI. International blogs begin dey cover the story. Then the biggest validation of all, Guinness World Record comment for her Instagram video. Dem write, well, we do have a record for the largest cake dress. Just like that, Guinness World Record dey hint say Queen fit attempt a world record. Queen see the comment and she reply immediately. She write, hello at Guinness World Record. I see you in the comment section. The woman dey ready wella. She even go further. She write open letter to MultiChoice and African Magic proposing a special entrepreneur night for AMVCA. She say, imagine AMVCA Nigerian Entrepreneur Night. Massive, classy and inspiring. So this woman wear bread, people dey drag am online. She gets noticed by Guinness World Record and she proposed new business idea for AMVCA. All for 1 week? This na marketing genius or na madness? You go decide o. Anyway, by the way, the current Guinness World Record for largest wearable cake dress na 131.15 kg set for Switzerland for 2023. If Queen fit beat that one with her bread outfit, Naija go enter history book again o. Make we enter the second story. This one no funny at all. So, Edoho, the legendary host of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire Naija, the man wey ask Naija people questions for years, im wife don become the biggest question for 2026. Who sleep with the wife? First, make I give una the background. Edoho bin don marry 2 times. Im first marriage to broadcaster Kathleen Obiang end for 2010. After 7 years, im marry again for 2013. This time to Sandra Onyenucheya, and dem get children together. But for June 2025, Frank announced publicly say the second marriage don end and im no give reason. So for that time, people bin sympathize with am and im move on. But just this week, everything burst open. Frank go for X wey be Twitter and him post about infidelity. He warn men say if a wife cheats and she asks her husband to forgive her and he does, she will not only continue cheating, but she will also resent the man for forgiving her. Strong words from a man wey clearly dey talk from personal experience. Dat post open the floodgates because immediately social media begin connect the dots. People begin dey ask who be the singer wey sleep with Frank Edoho wife, and the name wey everybody begin dey call na Chike. Social media users and bloggers link singer Chike to the circumstances wey surround Frank Edoho's separation from Sandra. Though the claims remain unverified, neither Chike nor Sandra don address the public for the allegations o. But then something happen wey pour more fuel for the fire. Old interview of Chike resurface online. For the interview, Chike talk about how im prefer to date older women over younger ones. Im say older women dey more mature, more understanding, and more in type. Now Sandra, Frank Edoho wife, she dey older than the type of women wey Chike dey like to date normally o. So his "I love older women" interview resurface the same week. People say the timing dey suspicious. Then Frank Edoho drop another bomb. Im reveal say na im leave the marriage. Im say "I take my suitcase and walked away. Nobody divorce me o." Im say the woman almost ruin my career. And when someone for X ask am if im dey single, Frank reply, "Yes, I have had my share, never getting committed again. Ever." The man don close love chapter completely. Internet reaction don pour in everywhere. One person write, "When she was showing you shege, did you phone a friend, do 50-50 or ask the audience?" Another person write, "You divorce first wife, now second, you never still wise?" But some people dey sympathize with Frank. Dem say im na man wey try 2 times and get born twice. And for man wey dedicate im career dey ask question, the biggest question of his life na the one wey nobody fit answer. Did Chike really do it? My honest take, Queen Bibi Naija, I salute you with my full chest. You choose bread instead of designers. People say e dey embarrassing, but I call you my genius. See, she get more attention pass Versace that night o, and now Guinness World Record dey notice her. She understand marketing better than many MBA graduates. For Frank Edoho, I go talk am carefully because nobody don confirm say Chike do anything. Make we no go destroy Chike reputation. The real lesson today, whether you dey wear bread for AMVCA or dey try to survive broken marriage, the most important thing na how you carry yourself. Which story shock you more? Queen break Guinness World Record or Frank Edoho Chike drama? Drop your comments, I dey wait. If this gist make more sense for you, abeg like the video, share am and subscribe to Naija Gist Central for fresh Naija gist for pidgin every week. Na me be Clara. God bless una and see una for my next video. It is sign out.